Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old.
Hey friends, welcome back to part 2 of my spring and Easter clean and decorate. I'm so excited to share with you guys exactly what I did. We are doing my living room today. If you haven't seen part 1, which was my kitchen, I will make sure I link that down below so that you can catch up. I also have the yummiest, easiest dinner idea if you're looking for a new recipe. It was something that I just put together one day just with a few items we had left over in our pantry, and the family loved it. So I knew I had to share it with you guys. If you are so excited for spring like I am and you're not excited about the snow, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, I would love for you to subscribe, grab your iced coffee, and let's get started. I was not kidding when I said that it was snowing. I mean, it's Michigan. I'm not surprised, but it's still so disappointing in March. So on this day, I knew when I wanted to clean and decorate that I also wanted to make it a cozy day. We're going to start out by making an iced espresso. I'm just showing you which roast I chose for the next couple weeks from Starbucks, the blonde. I thought in the past I said I didn't like it, but honestly, I think I do. It's starting to grow on me. And then after that, I want to throw the dinner into the crock pot, the one that I mentioned earlier. Super easy and delicious. This way, when I am done cleaning and decorating, I can sit down and have dinner with the family. First, I wanted to heat up the pan and get it ready. Then I'm going to take about 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and about 2 tablespoons of steak seasoning. I'm going to take these steak tips. I want to drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to start mixing in the seasoning.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you.
Now I'm going to add it into the pan. I'm going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes just so it cuts down on how long it needs to cook in the crock pot. As you can see here, I'm using 3 cans of cream of chicken soup. My family does not like mushrooms, but I love mushrooms, but my husband and kids, they won't eat it. So if you like mushrooms, I highly recommend use cream of mushroom soup instead. It'll taste so good. But I used cream of chicken, and then I'm going to add 1 packet of the onion soup mix. We're going to mix this all together, and then we are going to add it into the crock pot. While I was preparing the meat and the sauce, I had my crock pot preheating. That helps a lot to cut down on time as well. Now we are going to mix everything together, and this recipe honestly could not be any easier. Perfect for a spring/winter day, and something the whole family is truly going to love. Now that I have everything combined, I am going to set the timer to 4 hours on high, so when we are done cleaning and decorating, it will be time to eat.
Gotta be alone. Let's talk. Meet me at the avenue.
Before I start decorating these shelves, I want to go through and dust everything from top to bottom. But I also wanted to mention today's video is in collaboration with a group of my friends here on YouTube. We are bringing you all the spring motivation. We have spring cleaning and decorating. Today we are doing it all to bring you some motivation for your home. So when you are done watching this video, make sure you check out the description box. I'll have the playlist linked down below. Check out the other girls' videos. I know you are going to love them, and let them know Ashley sent you. Okay, I know that the camera is so forgiving and it looks like these shelves are clean, but oh my gosh, wait till I show you this duster when I am done. It was so nasty, you guys. I'm so glad I decided to wipe everything down before I started adding in more decor. I love this screensaver that I found on YouTube. It was so perfect because I could not with the snow outside while I was trying to pretend and get excited for spring. So I love this one with the river and the tulips and the bright sun. It definitely put me in the mood. And of course, you know it would not be a cleaning and decorating video of the living room if I did not incorporate a garland over the fireplace. This is what I used in my fall decorating video as my base, and I just loved the way that it looked by itself. So I knew that I wanted to use it in the future all on its own, and wait till you see what I added. I love the way that it turned out.
Doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone.
Okay, I'm loving the way that this garland is looking, but I called my mom. I'm like, Mom, don't you think I should add in, do you remember these Easter eggs that I got from 2 videos ago? She's like, yes, that would look so good for Easter. And then she recommended that I add in these carrots. I asked her, I'm like, do you think I should add in carrots? She's like, yes, definitely. So these little fabric carrots and these Easter eggs, I got these from Dollar Tree and these are from TJ Maxx. We're gonna add these into the garland. I'm heating up my hot glue gun. I'm so excited. I think it's gonna give me exactly the look I'm going for. So let's see how it turns out.
Forget what I said, just come on over.
I really loved the simplicity of this garland by adding just a few eggs and the carrots. It gave it such a beautiful look without being too over the top. I also like that I was able to hot glue one of these Easter eggs to the front of the command hooks. That way they were more hidden. Now we are going to go through and add the carrots. I love the way that it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I think it is so cute and simple, but I'm going to vacuum and then I'm going to go through and wipe down the tile before I add in my lantern and basket. My blanket for the basket is in the wash, so for now we are going to move on, clean up all of our mess from the garland, and start adding in our pillows. People always ask me, how do you keep your furniture so clean with 2 little kids? And honestly, I don't. I didn't even realize until I started wiping down the couch and rearranging the pillows how many little stains I had. So I will definitely be washing this couch in a future video. But the pillows that you're seeing that I'm adding in here that are Easter themed, they are from Amazon. They came in a 4-pack and I will link them down below in case you are interested. This bunny and the tulips that I'm going to use here on this side table, they are both from TJ Maxx. They were in the haul portion of my last video. TJ Maxx had so much cute, affordable Easter decor, so if you are on the hunt, definitely stop by there and check it out. So now that the blanket is done in the washing machine, I'm going to add it back in. I was actually contemplating whether I was going to continue a ton of throw blankets into the living room, but honestly in Michigan the weather just fluctuates so much. One day can be 70, the next can be 30, and the days when it's 30 we are scrambling looking for blankets. So it also keeps the space cozier, so I'll probably continue it honestly all throughout the year. It also helps to cut down on stains on the couch, which since it's machine washable is not a big deal, but I'm going to add in this faux wooden arrangement, light this candle, and then you can see the final reveal.
I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me.
I hope that you guys loved the way that the living room turned out. I'm so excited about it. And now for dinner, I just took a little bit of rice, added the steak tips, topped it with a little bit of parsley, and that is it. So easy and delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the playlist, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.